Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update iPadOS and confirm storage so Keynote runs smoothly. Once done, open Keynote and tap the plus to create a new presentation or open a file from iCloud. Choose a theme that fits your goal, then tap the three dots to set slide size. 16:9 is standard for screens. Make sure iCloud is enabled to keep edits synced. This prevents version conflicts when you switch devices or collaborate later. Now you build the content. Tap plus to add slides and pick master layouts so headers and placeholders stay consistent. You should insert images and text boxes, then use auto-arrange and alignment guides to keep elements balanced. This both looks professional and speeds editing. Once elements are placed, apply transitions between slides and animate objects using build-in and build-out. Adjust timing in seconds for each animation, so movement. Finish by adding presenter notes, then rehearse using rehearse mode so pacing and cues feel natural. If you'll present on another screen, enable presenter display and test the external output. When ready, tap share to export as PPTX, PDF, or a movie. Choose slide duration and resolution for videos. Make sure to back up to iCloud and embed or use system fonts to avoid missing text. Troubleshooting tip: if fonts or layout shift, open the exported file on the target device and switch to a system font to restore form.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.